Okay, back again in an emoji unboxing. So this time I think it is just pretty unnecessary because I'm trying to find the bubble wrap for sending my custom mechanical keyboard numpad, but I eventually tried to bought new bubble wrap instead of reusing from the package that I currently received, because it's been a while that I didn't throw away of the packaging and try to be reused, since basically I'm just not really often sending package instead of buying them. So usually I'm just throw it away of the package and not really reuse it because it will make a lot of space for some reason. So basically I only got a very small bubble wrap from this package, and from the other package that basically not mine, it turns out it didn't have any bubble wrap. So the package that was mine is actually a 3D printed button from the Logitech G29 steering wheel that I have been trying to record previously. So